Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Like I told you guys in the last video, I was going to show you guys what we got to pack in one of my daughter's bags that we're giving her after her performance, because it is going to be her first performance, so we wanted to get her something special. So let me show you guys what we got to pack in her bag. First things first, you cannot really go anywhere without your mirror. So we got her this. I'm going to take it out of the box, because obviously I'm not going to stuff the box in there. This one's actually really cute. It definitely was not the cheapest one in the store, but the cheapest one in the store was a square. It was a square and it was boring, and I'm just like, is this all you guys have? And she's like, oh no, we have another one. So luckily we found this one. But look how cute that is. And then when you open it up, right, have this. And it has a light. It has a light, so I'm like, oh, absolutely yes, we're getting that. So packing that in there. She loves Captain America, so we got her Captain America. This is probably like, I may end up replacing the chapstick in here with like a better chapstick, but we just really wanted it for the container because it's like her favorite Marvel character. So we're going to be packing that in her bag. Oh. You know what, that mirror actually fit really well. We didn't think it was going to. We thought it was going to be too big, but it actually fits really, really well. Like, fits really well in there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So then we got her this because you have to have your hand lotion. So we got her this. This one I love. I've used this one for years and I love it. It's mainly for the cute package. Let's be honest, this is adorable. But it smells like bananas. We got her these two holiday scents. This one is Strawberry Snowflake. Frosted Coconut Snowfall. We got her these because they're like little hand sanitizers. So we got her those. I mean, obviously she's not going to need both at once. So once she decides which one she wants to keep in there, then she can remove the other one and put it to the side for right now. And then of course, my children, I'm not even going to say just my daughter because it's both of my children, like my older children. They both love fragrances as much as I do. So we got her these two. These are just body sprays. I didn't want to get her like an expensive perfume to put in there. She does have other ones that were more expensive, but I want to just get her kind of ones that she could just while she's, doing her sports and stuff, so that she always smells good. But we got her this one. It is Strawberry Snowflakes. And let me tell you, these smell amazing. We were in the store and I wasn't even like paying attention. I was just like picking the stuff up, putting it in the bag because we got a lot of stuff from Bath and Body Works. I've not been in there forever. And we went in there. They had all the holiday scents, and I'm like, oh, and we're just like putting it in the bag. And then we got Strawberry Pound Cake. And this one, oh my goodness. Makes me want to eat this one. And look, this bag holds a lot because it fit all that in there. It fit all that in there with more room. So super, super excited. I cannot wait to give her this. I really hope she loves these bags. I think she will, just because like we know her, we know what she likes, and I think she's going to love these. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and also consider becoming a channel member. Bye guys.